Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 5, decimal fractions, practice set number 14, question number 1 to question number 3 we will be completing in today's video. So let's start with the first question from textbook, page number 30. So this is a table that has been given. In previous video I have shown you all writing in the notebook, but many of you all were confused. So I am going to explain you from the textbook itself how you all have to solve, because if such table has been given and a number has been given, how you have to solve it. So it's very easy, children. As we know, decimal point, wherever there is a decimal point, before decimal point it's unit, tens, hundred. Okay, before decimal point. Now decimal point is over here. Okay, after 8. So 8 is units, tens and hundreds. Okay, now same thing is going to happen to the other numbers, which is from the right hand side of the decimal point. Now decimal point is over here, so right hand side is going to be these numbers. So you have to count decimal point as units, then 0 as tens, hundreds, thousands. You will see the spellings is also different. Many of you all write 100 over here only. No, it's 100 and hundreds. Tens, tens. Okay, TH and S. The difference is that. So I think everyone is clear with how you all have to write the place. Okay, and what digit you all have to write, that is being explained over here in the textbook, page number 30. So see, if it is in the units place, it is going to be value as 1. So 1 into 8 is going to be 8. Then 7, the place value is tens over here. So 7 into 10 is going to be 70. 3 is in the hundreds place. So 3 into 10 is going to be 300. Isn't it easy? So before decimal point, all the numbers you'll have to count it as unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, and after decimal point you'll have to start with tens. Why? Because we count decimal point as units, and it is being written as, see, 0 is in tens place now over here. So this is supposed to be 1 upon 10. अब upon क्यों लगाना है? Because we have to divide it. Okay, now division and decimal, adding of decimal point, I am going to show you in a very easy way, children. Now tens, it is 0, so 0 divided with anything is going to be 0. Therefore the answer is 0. Next is in the 100. 2 is in the hundreds place. So 1 upon 100. Digit is 2. So you all have to divide 2 upon 100. Okay, see, I have written it over here, 2 upon 100. Now when you divide this, you will be getting 0.02. Or what you all can do is add a decimal. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Matlab, after decimal point there should be how many digits? 2 digits. But over here only 1 digit is there. So 0 should be added over here. Why? Because there is 2 zeros. Got it? I hope this concept is clear with everyone. It is very easy. If you are not able to understand this, then divide 100 with 2. You will be getting this answer. And if you all want to avoid division, then you all have to use your mind. 2 zeros. So decimal point के बाद 2 numbers आना चाहिए, and 2 should be in the hundreds place. Unit, tens, 100. Got it? Now 5 is in the thousands place. Alright, so you have to write this spelling, 1 upon 1000. Now this will change to 5 upon 1000. Got it? 1 means it is to be multiplied with 1. 5 multiplied by 1 is going to be 5. 5 upon 1000. Now see, over here 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So see, after decimal point 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. Got it? So after decimal point you have to add 2 zeros. क्यों? तो 1, 2, 3 digit आना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3. Got it? This is the small trick that I needed to explain, because many of you all were finding it difficult to add the zeros. And how you all have to add the zeros, I hope now it is clear with everyone. Still, if you all are not finding it easy and finding it difficult to solve, let me know in the comment section. We will try out something different so you will understand this concept properly. Now let's move on to question number 2 and 3, which is addition and subtraction. Now many of you all were making mistakes while writing the decimal point below decimal point. So in previous video also I had shown you all how you all have to write. Now also I will be showing you all how you all have to write it. Now suppose this is the question. Okay, so first we will write the given number. First number जो भी है that only we have to write and keep a space. Okay, थोड़ा दूर दूर लिखना है. Then you all have to put a plus sign. Then there is 27. Now point is there. मतलब point should come below point. Alright. And then the number is 27. So 27. Okay. Many of you all write wherever possible and then your answer gets wrong. So you all have to try this. Now next is 197. So 1, 9 and 7. Now you will say, teacher, there is no numbers over here. So you all can keep it as it is. जैसा है वैसे रखो, or you all can add 2 zeros also over here. Okay, it will not make any difference. Now simply addition, number के नीचे numbers लिखने हैं, decimal point के नीचे decimal point आना है. That's it. 7, 9, 6 decimal point. 7 plus 5 12, 2 plus 1 3 and 9. Simple addition you all have to do. The only problem is to write the numbers just below the numbers so that it doesn't go wrong. Okay, तो यूनिट के जगह पे अपने आप यूनिट के जगह के नंबर यूनिट पे आएंगे, हंड्रेड्स के नंबर्स हंड्रेड्स पे आ जाएंगे. Okay, if you all are going to follow this, and if you all are finding it difficult, then write unit tens 100 decimal point के बाद unit tens 100. In this pattern you all have to write it above, यहाँ पे ऊपर लिख लेना, and then you all can write the numbers, but that will take more time. So this method is easy. Now the next is 39. Now over here only 39 is there, no decimal point. So where you all have to add a decimal point? Over here. Okay, and we will take 2 zeros because after decimal point यहाँ पे भी 2 numbers है. Plus now 700. So पहले we will put a decimal point. 65 we will write it. 2 numbers ऊपर 2 numbers नीचे just below the numbers. Then 700. So 0 0 7. Always try to write from right to left. Always you all have to. Even sum solve करने के लिए भी solve from left to right. Isn't it? So for this also you all have to write the numbers from right to left. From right to left we solve. From right to left we write the numbers also. Now very easily you all can add it. 9, 3 and 7. That's it. Isn't it easy to solve? Now over here 3 numbers are there. So don't get confused. What you all have to do is, as I said, write the numbers. Okay. Point 0 हम लोग first ले लेंगे. Because there is no decimal point given. So decimal point will always come after the given number. Next is 27.7. So 27 will to come over here. 0.7. Next is 2.4. तो पहले हम लोग 2.4 लिख लेते हैं. 2.4. And then we will write 5 and 1. So now over here no numbers. So as I said, you all can add zeros over here. And हम उसको plus कर देंगे. यहाँ also you all can add a 0. I will keep it as it is. 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 over here, decimal point, 1 over here. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. So this is your answer. So what you all have to do? You all have to only write the numbers just below each other. Wherever there is no number, add 0. Decimal point के नीचे decimal point आना है, and always write the numbers from right to left. Now we will solve the subtraction. Now for subtraction also same method we will use. 85.96. Alright. 2 point. So 2 point. First we will write it 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 and 5. What we have to do? We have to subtract. When there is no number, we have to take 0. Now 0 minus 5 we cannot do. So what we have to do? We have to let the camera focus. It's not focusing. Yes, it is now. So what we have to do is we have to subtract. So this will be 10. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5, 6 minus 4. First we have to cut, and because we have borrowed 1 from 6, so this will be 5. So 5 minus 4 is supposed to be 1. Then 9 minus 3 is 6, 1 decimal point, and 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 as it is. Got it? Now next sum we will do, that is 632.24, 97. So as I said, ulta you all have to write first 7 we will write, then 9, and then 45. Okay, the only problem is you all have to write the numbers properly, children. Don't write 97 point यहाँ पे and then 43. No, decimal point के नीचे decimal point, number के नीचे number. That's it. Then 1 we have borrowed from 2, so this will be 1. 1 minus 4 cannot be done, so again we will borrow 1 from 2. Again we have number is going to be 1 upon 7. 1 minus 7, so 1 minus 7 cannot be done. We will borrow 1 from 3, so this will become 2. 2 minus 9 cannot be done. Again we will borrow 1 from 6, it will become 5. Okay, तो पहले हम लोग borrow कर लेंगे सारे के सारे कट करके जो भी है, and then we will find the answers for subtraction. So 14 minus 5, so after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 9. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 is your answer, then your decimal point. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4, after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 and 5 as it is. Okay, so why I am showing this subtraction in detail, children? Because many of you all were not able to subtract it and your sum was getting wrong. So the next number is 200.005. Ulta you all have to write. So 7, 1, decimal point, 1, 8 and 6. Subtract it. Now this will become 15. 1 you all have borrowed from 0. This was 10. So 9 हो जाएगा. 9, 0 को कोई value नहीं थी. So we wrote 9. This 9 came from this 0. So again it will be 9. This 9 came from this 0. So again 9. This 9 came from this 0. So again 9. And this 9 we have borrowed from 2. That is 1. Okay. So whenever there is 0, it is converted into 10. तो 10 में से हमने 1 borrow कर लिया, तो it will become 9. Alright, so this is very important and many of you all make mistake over here only, and this only sum the exam the teacher is going to put. So 9 minus 8, first we will write 15 minus 6, so after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 1, 8, decimal point. 9 minus 7, after 7, 8 and 9. So 2. 9 minus 1, again 8 and 1 as it is. Now after solving this exercise, if you all find anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section, children, because again 4, 5, 6, 7 sum we have to solve. So I will be explaining your queries. Whatever queries you all are having, do let me know in the comment section. So while solving the question number 4 to 7, I will take your queries and solve it in that video. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.